How to delete story on Facebook. Hi everyone, once again I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can delete story on Facebook application. Deleting your Facebook story is very simple method. All you have to do is make sure to watch the video till the end and follow the step as guided. So then let us get started. Open up your Facebook application. As you open up your application, the interface kind of look like this. And just next to create story there is your story. Simply tap on it. In order to delete your story, all you have to do is tap on the three dot icon which is in the right hand side corner right at the bottom. Once you tap on it, there's a drop down menu. From here you can see on the fifth option there is delete photo. Tap on it. As you tap on it, right in center there's a confirmation, so make sure to go through it and then tap on delete if you want to delete your story. Over here you can see that the story has been deleted, and that is how you can delete your Facebook story on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.